Can you handle anodizing, sandblasting, and electroplating? Sure, we have one-stop compatibility, machining, and service treatment under one roof. And come to me, you could see we have some products with different finish treatment, like painting in different colors. It's very nice, right? And anodizing and electroplating or your painting. You could see this is colorful, and this one nice, right? And this is normal anodizing colors, purple, pink. So you could see we could make all kinds of finish treatment like anodizing, sandblasting, electroplating, PVD, and other different finish treatment. If you have orders, just come to me. Don't bother my competitors.